Hello and welcome back. This is Evan from EK Bookkeeping, and as the title suggests, today we're going to be looking at how to enter bills in QuickBooks. Please at this time also take a moment to scroll down and, like the photo suggests, subscribe to EK Bookkeeping below so that you can watch more videos like this. Thank you. So we're back on our home screen in QuickBooks. Typically a company will receive many different types of bills. Today we'll look at a simple telephone bill from a local company, and we'll go ahead and enter that into QuickBooks. To do so, we need to scroll to the Enter Bills icon right here, and as it says, enter outstanding bills from vendors. So we'll go ahead and double click on that. The window opens up so that we can enter the information that we have for the telephone bill that I'll be showing you. And so I'll just give you a little quick look at that right now. So as you can see, we have a typical phone bill here. Let's look at a couple of these items that we'll be entering shortly. So we want to be aware of the bill date, so that's July 7, 2014. The account number is fairly important, so we want to be aware of where that is on any bill. Then we have a summary of the total amount due, which is $65.02. The due date, which is August 1st, 2014. Also, there's a summary right here of the taxes that would be applied on this bill, including the subtotal, and then the ultimate total that we need to pay, which is again the $65.02. And that's pretty much it. The rest is just similarly explains the information that I described above. One important thing I would add here is that we've gone through a verification process in some form or fashion, like any company would have, where a manager or the owner would verify that at some point that this bill is indeed accurate and we should be paying it. I'm not going to go through any of those steps because it varies among companies, but it's something that we should be under the assumption that has taken place at this point, and we're ready to go ahead and enter this bill. Now we'll go ahead and enter this information into QuickBooks. So we'll select our vendor. We don't have Bell as one of our vendors currently, so we're going to have to go down to here and click on Add New. Then we'll put in Bell. A quick tip I'll pass along right here is, with telephone bills and things of the like, you might have several accounts, so it's a good idea to put in the phone number so that we're better able to distinguish each bill that we have, because we might have multiple bills. So that's a good thing to keep in mind. And then we'll do a quick add. I'm not going to go through entering the address and things, but you definitely should be doing that on your end when you're entering bills. You should have a complete record of a vendor file. So I'll just go ahead and click OK at this point. And we've entered Bell as one of our vendors now. So the date remains the same. Bell bills typically do not have invoice numbers, so we can come up with something like July 0614 to distinguish this bill by the date. We'll scroll down here. It's due August 1st, so we'll make a change. We made that change. Now we'll come down here and enter the type of expense that we're looking for. So I'll type in telephone, and it finds it. And it is a telephone expense. Charging HST is the next thing. And then we'll enter the amount, so it's $57.54. And now we've got our total. If you look up here, $65.02, which is correct. And now the memo would be a little brief description of what of the bill, so we'll go ahead and do that right now. So it's telephone expense for the month of June. Taking a quick look at our bill again, we can see that the total that we've entered is indeed correct, because we do get the $65.02. We are getting a bill from Bell, and that's been entered. The tax amount is $7.48, and the date that the bill is due, excuse me, is August 1st, 2014. So everything appears to be correct. So the only thing left at this point is to save and close. Well, there you have it. Thank you for watching this video again. We did learn how to enter bills in QuickBooks. We also learned a little bit about what goes into the behind the scenes in terms of the importance of verifying that the bill is indeed able to be entered and therefore will be paid at some point. That'll be the subject of a following video that will be coming soon. We'll look at how to pay a bill in QuickBooks. Once again, I'd really like you to scroll down and hit the like button, and also if you want to watch more videos like these, please click on the subscribe button down below as the photo suggests. So once again, I'd really love to thank you for watching the video. If you have any comments, leave those below as well. And as always, thank you very much.